Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening personalization, so you change the desktop picture right now. Press Win+I or click the Start gear, then choose Personalization and Background. You need your image file accessible, copy it to Pictures, or note the folder path so selection is fast. Once done, use the background drop-down to pick Picture, then click Browse. Make sure the image is at least 1920 x 1080 for crisp results. Explain why. Resolution affects clarity and cropping behavior. Now you select and adjust the image so it fits the screen correctly. Click Browse, navigate to your folder, and open the image. Windows shows an immediate preview. From the Fit menu, choose Fill, Fit, Stretch, Tile, Center, or Span. Each changes cropping, so pick Fill for full coverage or Center to avoid stretching. Once picked, inspect icons and taskbar. If the picture hides icons, try a darker image or change icon text color. Make sure scaling looks right on multiple displays. Finish the process by applying and verifying the change so your home screen stays updated. Click Apply or simply close Settings. Windows saves automatically, but sign out and sign back in if the old image persists. If nothing updates, restart File Explorer from Task Manager, because Explorer handles the desktop rendering. Finally, if the picture still fails to load, check File Permissions. Copy the image to your Pictures folder and try again. That fixes access issues caused by restricted folders.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.